Hello viewers, a lot of users are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE in Big Billion Days or in Amazon's Great Indian Sale that will be held in the month of September 2023. That's why I have come up with another video regarding Tab S7 FE. In this video, I will give you some details about Tab S7 FE. Regarding the build quality of this tablet, this is a solid build. The tablet is very thin. At the back you can see the Samsung logo and AKG branding for better audio quality. Another highlighting feature of Tab S7 FE is its display. It is a TFT LCD panel. It is not an AMOLED display, yet you will not notice any kind of pixelation or color distortion. The display is very good and the viewing angles are also very good, but you will not get the deeper black as you find in AMOLED displays, yet the quality of the display is amazing and the video watching experience on this tablet is excellent. If you tilt the display, yet you will find that there is no color distortion from this tablet. I have played some HDR content on YouTube and I noticed one thing, that if you play the content in 4K 60 fps, it will jitter and there is some slow movement from the screen. But if you switch to the 1080p 60 fps, the video quality will be excellent and there is no frame drops or jitteriness. So in case of YouTube, you must switch to 1080p 60 fps wherever you are playing HDR content, otherwise you will not get the smoother experience from this tablet. I thought that you must know this fact while buying this tablet. However, in 1080p 60 fps also it looks very good and the consuming experience is superb. So if you want to buy this tablet for video consumption, you can definitely go for it as it has a very good display, though it is not an AMOLED panel. You will get very good experience while multitasking in this tablet. App opening and closing time is very minimal and you will not notice any kind of delay while opening apps. This problem is happening because I have a low connectivity. If you can provide good Wi-Fi connectivity, this tablet will perform very good and you will never be disappointed with the performance of this tablet, as this tablet is powered by Snapdragon 778G processor. It is a very capable processor. Most of the apps in Play Store run smoothly on this tablet. You will not find any kind of difficulty while opening or while using those apps. While in iPad there is no option of SD card, Tab S7 FE supports SD card support up to 1 TB. I have inserted a 128GB SD card into Tab S7 FE. You can transfer the storage of apps from internal storage to SD card. That is a very good thing. Tab S7 FE comes with 64GB internal storage for the base variant, and in this case you can transfer the storage from internal storage to SD card. Let me show you. Suppose I have Amazon.in app in my internal storage and I want to convert the storage from internal storage to SD card. So I have to search for the apps and then I have to select the storage version and I can change it to SD card. This feature is very handy whenever you want to use too many apps on your tablet. If you move the app from internal storage to SD card, your tablet will run smoothly and it will not put pressure on your internal storage. You can see that I have the option of storage change. Let me change it to SD card and it will take some time while processing, and after the transfer of application you can see that the storage has been changed from internal storage to SD card, and this is a very good feature according to me. This feature will help a lot of customers to buy this tablet and the base variant, that is 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. you can see that the storage version has been changed to SD card. So let me know in the comment sections below whether you like this feature or not, or if you want to buy this tablet or not. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos on Tab S7 FE. And if you have any questions regarding this tablet, you can ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.